So the judge went off my bond and made my bond insufficient for testing positive for marijuana.
So, what was that like being in there for a few days?
It felt like I had done 7 years. Yeah, each day felt like a year and a half. And I think I aged 2 years each day. But I got some much needed rest. The wife finally got to get a sit down and talk and
sit still.
Yeah, have some yeah. So and I had some time to reflect. In solitude. I had some time to realign spiritually. I had some time to soul search, examine me. So whenever I go to jail, homie, or whenever I'm in trouble or going in a situation, I don't look outside of me. I go look inside of me. I go look within. And then from within, I look out. So I can't be mad at nobody because I like to smoke weed. And it was my second time testing positive. Yeah. So some niggas had tried to rob me for my jewelry. The earlier part of this year, but I wouldn't cooperate. Yeah, I'm a hard-headed little motherfucker. I wouldn't cooperate. So one of them tried to snatch it, hit me in the head with the pistol, and they still didn't get the jewelry. So it caused anxiety. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't never been robbed. Nigga ain't never tried to rob me before. So it caused anxiety because the position I'm in now, I have to be comfortable with people approaching me.
At all times.
At all times. But I done been attacked in a barbershop while I'm asleep in a public place. And I'm saying, how these niggas let this get in here and touch me when normally he got the door locked? Normally when I come, I got my gun right here, but I'm gonna get relaxed in the chair and go to sleep. But he gonna have the door locked, so it's normally a level of security when he cut my hair. But he was in on the setup. You see what I'm saying? So I had 2 situations within 1 year. So the attack in the barbershop happened like November, December last year. Because I was attacked, my response to the attack caused me to get 2 aggravated assaults with a deadly weapon. Because they entered into the barbershop with a gun. Still got the mark on my head from when he hit me with the gun. But they went and edited the video. So it looked like but you see the gun in the guy's back pocket. One of the witnesses told the detective that he gave Man the gun and Man put the gun in his back pocket. So they disregarded that. So I've been attacked twice in 1 year. Typically I got weapons on me. So now that I'm out on bond, I can't carry no weapons. So I'm just a walking victim.
It's anxiety.
There you go.
Automatic.
So I need that weed to calm the nerves. I ain't no alcohol drinking. So I started back smoking weed to keep, the anxieties. So there was one dirty UA. So my bond initially, when these charges first came, was $15,000. So when they violated the first time for smoking, that $15,000 went to $90,000. That's a murder bond just for smoking weed.
Right.
So they hit me with a murder bond. And most people don't know I went to jail early August. The blogs didn't get that information because I bonded out within 8 hours.
Quick, fast.
I bonded out real quick. So I got a Texas medical marijuana card. So I went and seen a doctor, a psychiatrist for the anxiety, who saw another doctor. So I went and met with a Texas medical marijuana doctor. So this is legal.
Right.
So I got a prescription from the doctor. Not only do I got a prescription, I got a letterhead from the doctor's office, and the company. And I'm also in a database. So if the highway patrol officer stopped me in Texas, he got a number to call. Where I'm in a database. I'm in a medical database that says I'm allowed to have marijuana. But the judge said, F this card. So he violated my bond condition for following my medical requirements. So I was put in jail, homie, for taking my prescription. So it wouldn't be no difference if I went to the hospital and they said, oh man, you got anxiety. Here goes some psychotropic drugs. Here goes some Xanax. Pharmaceutical business, right? So I went outside the pharmaceutical business and went and got some herbal help. And the courts won't accept it. And that's strange to everybody. But because the judge is like God on earth, who can buck the judge? So it looked like I'm trying to buck the judge, but I'm not. So I'm on bond probation. So every month I have to go see a bond officer that's assigned to me from the courts. So they asking me, have you had any contact with the police? Well, man, I got arrested. Some guys tried to rob me earlier part of the year. They not writing that in the court notes. Then they watching my videos. It's like I'm partying, having fun. You see what I'm saying? So all of that is playing an account. And then the DA told my lawyer, I hate him. He's an asshole because they watching my videos. You see what I'm saying? So when I went back, I gave the courts the prescription, card, and a letter from the doctor, and I still ended up in jail. Yeah. So I had to go to court on October the 10th. So when I went to court, I was detained and held with an insufficient bond. So it looked like these are new charges, but they're not. They're the same charges from last year that went viral. Everybody talking about them. These are the same charges. It's just that I went for this card for smoking weed. And this is a legitimate card. So this is from a doctor. So I can't trip. You know what I'm saying? Shit. You know how when the white boy gets you, you got your head in the alligator's mouth. So not only they quadrupling my bonds. Not only are they quadrupling my bonds, I'm paying monthly fees. Not only that, I'm paying for every drug test. So they milk, and then I'm online showing all this money. So they, you got the money, we getting it. So they, freedom ain't free. You got to pay. So, but I got a very, very, very great lawyer. Shout out to Mr. Platt. I got a great lawyer. Who's well respected and connected within the city, in the county. So, homie, they just spanking my ass. That's all. Man. So how everybody found out I'm in jail? This little old rapping nigga named CJ Casino. I'm coming down from court going to book in. They bringing some whole bunch of in from Dallas that's being transferred. So all the niggas see me, they going crazy. Every time I end up going through booking, homie, they go crazy.
Automatic.
Man, listen.
C-Dub. Oh, what's up?
Man, the police, there was some ATF agents seeing me. And look, Charleston White, and pulled his phone out. He said, man, you can't take pictures in the jail. He want to take a picture with me. So CJ Casino come through. He's being arrested. And he the one tipped off Say Cheese TV. Now, Say Cheese TV, my partner. I'm mad in the motherfucker. That nigga, homie. Why you didn't call my homie? Why you didn't call Sane? You could have easily called Sane, but you posted this like these some new charges.
Oh, the mugshot.
Come on, homie. You post. I'm fresh from the barbershop with a fresh cut. I'm finna go, you posting these like these new charges, man. Why would you do that?
Yeah.
Instead of saying he violated his bond conditions. So the judge said my mind is made up. This was Thursday. Now I ain't no jailhouse. I done been to jail for tickets. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never stayed in jail no day. So when I heard that judge say my mind is made up and we'll talk about it on Monday. Monday? Nigga's thirsty, man. Oh, shit, man. You think man, and it's 8:30 in the morning. So it ain't Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then he said, we'll talk about it on Monday. So this ain't even you getting out.
It's like an arraignment.
So I'm saying, nah, this one of them, I can keep him to the trial. I can keep him to the trial. Right. Or I can keep him to his next court date.
Because it was a VOP.
Because it's a violation of bond probation. You know what I'm saying? It's a violation of bond conditions, homie. So it's like, he went off the bond. And so shit, Monday came and it wasn't looking like I would go get out. Like he was still mad at me. But the stamp, the time stamp on my bond conditions paper, he signed it at 4:08. So and he's now don't get me wrong, homie. He's a very fair judge, but he firm. And he consistently firm. And he don't play. Old school judge, he don't play.
And you're a public persona.
And I'm a public persona.
So they gonna treat you with a different level of scrutiny.
So this nigga get out of jail, he go tell everybody I'm in jail. And so now the blogs, TMZ, everybody posting. And they posting these like it's new charges. And this why I with Tasha K. Me and Tasha K got like this love-hate relationship. Tasha K called management to try to get a clarification. Because she said these look like the old charges. she was the only one that sought to try to get